Negative exponents cannot be understood because they are the result of a definition, and thus there is nothing to understand. We define 2 to the third power as 2 times 2 times 2. We have agreed this, so in a similar fashion, we define 2 to the negative to the to to the negative third power to mean 1 over 2 thirds. So to make this positive, we need to reciprocal it. So we are going to reverse this. So it's 1 over 2 over 2 cube because there's an invisible 1 there. So we have two ways to write the same thing. So we have the formal definition of the negative exponents, and this definition tells us that when we write an exponential expression in reciprocal form, the sign of the exponent must be changed. If the exponent is negative, it is positive in reciprocal form, and if it is positive, it is negative in reciprocal form. So we can, in this definition, we can say that x cannot be 0 because division by 0 is undefined. So we have a couple examples here. We have 3 to the negative power. So how are we gonna simplify this? So to simplify this, we just gonna have the reciprocal of 1 over 3 to the negative raised to negative 2. So the reciprocal of it, so remember that when we are gonna make this in reciprocal form, the exponent sign will be changed. So from negative, it will become positive. Now, to simplify, 3 squared is 9. Now, how about this? This is the reverse one for for our first example. So let's make the negative exponent positive. So we'll have it in reciprocal form. Remember that when we are going to reciprocal form, the negative sign will be changed into a positive. So 1 raised to 3 times 3 times 3, 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. So that's our final answer. Oh, okay, so next, how about if we have negative 3 versus negative 2? We need to change the sign. So that since our negative on the base, this is the base, so we are gonna remove it and just add it for later. So let's don't mind that first. Now this is, so let's simplify this. So you know the ruling, the definition of x raised to negative n. So the reciprocal form of this negative sign will become positive. So 1 to the 3 halves. So be 1 over 9. But remember that we have a negative sign here. So you must add a negative sign that we removed earlier. So this is the final answer. Okay, now how about this? We have a parenthesis. So it's the same. We are gonna make the exponent into a positive form. So 1 over, since it is on a parenthesis, we are gonna also include that. So our negative sign will change into a positive number. So 1, so we just simplify 1. So negative 3 times negative 3, negative times negative is positive. So it will be positive 1 over 9. Now let's have a last example. We cannot multiply the negative and the negative since we have the rule of PEMDAS. So we're just gonna remove the negative sign and add it for later, like what we did on example 3. Now let's simplify this. We have 1 over negative 3. So what will happen to this? It will become a positive number. So 1 equals, so in this case we have negative 27, or you can write it as this, negative 1 over 27. But keep in mind that we have a negative sign here that we just removed earlier, so we are gonna add the negative sign. So negative times negative is positive, so it will become positive. So this is the final answer, positive 1 over 27. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.